Hello UK lock spots and fellow pickers, I've got a zone 5-pin cylinder here. It's a full Euro. I bought this with a big box of locks I got. Working key, operates well. I think they're good locks. These zone locks are very good locks to learn picking on because they give good feedback. See, with this lock, sometimes it falls into a big fault set, then sometimes it just opens straight away. I don't know why it does that. I'll be using bottom of the keyway. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm using these new Salford Max picks. They're absolutely brilliant, nice, very nice picks. The hooks anyway. They are getting sold on Amazon at the moment for £8 each. The delivery is a bit slow though. Oh yeah, I wanted to say a big thank you to Andy, Mr. Anybody and Yales Vastian. They've been on to getting these picks. There, I've got a fault set. Another bit of a fault set. There you go. That's picked open. Thank you very much.